Okay, pa-register muna tayo dito sa St. James Ride. Si Sir Robin. Okay, pa-register na tayo. St. James. Hello. Yun, no? Morning.
Pag nakita mo yung magaganyan ka, ha? Hawakan ko.
Baka mahirapan ka, mabigat yan.
Are you all alone? Are they riding?
Dumating na nga ang mga kinakatakutan sa area. Ayan sila. 1, 2. Yo. Guys, dumating na nga si Confucius, aka Chon Chon Su.
Ching chang chong. Chung chung chung.
Ayan.
Meron nga.
Mahirap na, baka masira yung skin. Sayang ang skin.
May gumagaya kasi si Vin eh.
Yun, no? Yung mga idol natin. No? Ayan mga riders, guys. Ayan, dami na. No? Dito tayo sa St. James Ride Live. Yun, no? Mga veterans. Oh. Yun. Is dumating na nga. Kinakatakutan ng lahat. Si Kuya Ernam. Yan. Yun, no? Register ka na.
Morning. Saan nag-register?
Dito, sir.
Ito. Hintayin namin yung bike niya,
Yan.
sir.
Ayan. Register na kayo. At ayun na nga si Kuya Gary. Hindi namin nabukaan eh. Bagong pungos eh. Oh. Ayan si Kuya Ray.
Dito ba mag-start?
Dito.
Sandal na yung kaya mag-register yan.
Yun, no?
May parapol yan kasi kunin na natin. May parapol na helmet kunin na natin.
Ano meron yan?
Anong meron dyan? Pa-register. Good morning.
Camera nyo.
Tara.
Ito pala siya, no?
Sir.
Wala ka naman.
Yun, no? Morning, sir. Sir Harvey, yun yung baby mo. Wow! Lakas yan, malakas yung baby na yan. Pang-triathlon yan, pang-triathlon. Yan. At ayan na nga guys, ang kinakatakutan dito sa St. James.
Did we all register? Yes. Did we all register? Yes. Okay. Nick. Hi. Hey. Gusto na for a long time, and everybody will be a part of thinking. We all go to this church. Not only us, but your family and the families of
At guys, kasama natin ang Etibac Boys yan. Oh. Si Sir Corky at si Sir Jerome. Mga patindi dito. Si Jerome. Yan.
a beautiful journey, a pilgrimage today. We surrender each and every one of them to your loving care, loving protection. Lord Jesus, you came down taking the form of a man to save the mankind. And so,
Okay guys, go na daw ang mga riders dito sa St. James.
I'm setting my heart and mind on you.
Ito, idol ako. Balik si Sir Kuya.
This will be the best time of our life as we encounter your love again. Here with you, our hearts will come alive as we declare your praises.
Ito naman. Sir Don, siyempre, ayan guys, so live na live ulit. Ang ganda ng bago nilang jersey. The Pedal. Represent by Mr. Don, aka Cougar TV. Babalik! Kahit tayo ulit.
We'll never stop. We'll never stop, never stop loving. Come on, let's break it tonight, play it, shake it. This will be the
Si Kuya Jeff, ang pinakamatinding rider niya. Ano nga, veteran rider dito siya.
as we declare your praises. As we declare your praises. Come on, put your hands together. This is our time. This is our place. This is our moment to lift your name. This is our time. This is our place. This is our moment to lift your name. Oh, this is our time. This is our place. This is our moment to lift your name. We'll lift your name higher. This is our place. This is our moment to lift your name. This will be the best time of our life as we encounter your love again. Here with you, our hearts will come alive as we sing it. Declare your praises. As we declare your praises. Come on, make some noise for Jesus. Come on, put them together tonight. Cause Jesus gave me life. He opened up my eyes. I can see clearly now. Oh, everybody dance now. Everybody give it up for Jesus. Give him glory for he has redeemed us. Everybody give it up for Jesus. Praise his name. My desire is to lift you higher. It's only burning brighter. This passion inside of me.
Ibang kasi ka talaga, idol.
Hindi, gusto ko mag-video eh. Si Idol
Hey,
pa
good
yan.
morning.
Ayan o,
Thank
St.
you
James
for-
Ride ah.
Thank you for coming.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Ayan, Pedal Addicts.
Kailangan ko.
Ayan si Doc, oh. Hi Doc.
Eh, hirap. Kailangan natin.
Lakas. One, two. Okay, okay.
Number one vlogger to sa YouTube eh.
Ay pala, magiging 1 million views.
Yun, no?
1 million views.
Dahil kay Sir Tonet, 1 million views ang palo nito, sir.
1 million.
St. James. Siyempre kay Doc. Dahil kay Doc.
Kay Doc.
Dahil kay Doc, makakakuha tayo ng 1 million views.
Daming fans yan.
Yan, no? Guys, ayan si Doc, oh, live na live, oh. Yan.
Pero payat pa.
Puyat pa yan. Galing pa ng trabaho yan.
Hindi, galing
Pang
V.
Gary V.
Ako nanonood pala ng concert ni Tito Gary. Ni Tito Gary, ah. Partida pa yan, nanonood pa ng concert.
Back, Mike Grace. Hello, good morning. Welcome to St. James Ride.
Good morning, Neil and Tonet. So thank you so much for all the riders that supported St. James Festival Ride. We thank you so much, all right?
Yun!
Yes, beautiful day, beautiful weather. Thank you again, once again, for all the riders.
All right.
Thank you, Idol.
Thank you.
Sir Tonet and Sir Neil.
Yes.
Ano to, manager ng Dave & Buster's in Midpatas.
Yun, no? Back to you guys. Okay.
If you need something, just look for Neil, the GM in Dave & Buster's Wilpira.
Yep.
Hydrate.
Bob Show. Aso tayo dyan.
Good job, man. Good job. Ikaw naligaw ka, paano ka ba? Yes, si Mark naligaw.
Mga officers ng St. James Ride. Yan.
Volunteers.
Mga volunteers natin yan, no? Yun, no?
Thank you for coming on this event. We will be funding the so-called St. James Church.
Yep.
And with all the contribution and everything, we will make that beautiful, beautiful church.
Yeah.
Thank you all. We love you all.
Yun. Thank you, sir. At syempre, si idol natin. Guys, Edong, so huwag nyo kalimutan. Yan. Yan, ating Master Chef. Master Chef Rica, triathlete at lahat na. Nurse, yan. Snack muna siya. Mamaya muna natin siya kunan. At syempre, Sir Corky. Ang Kabitenyo guy yan.
We're just lucky and we're just happy to be a part, of this ride.
Yun. Syempre.
Like, raising funds, for the church, you cannot get any much noble cause.
Yun. Pakiulit nga sir, Tagalog. Pakitagalog nga sir. Okay na yan, sir. Yan, no? Ano mga sag natin, volunteers for the... Siyempre. At lalo na to, Mr. Eric.
Master, Master, anong tawag niya?
Master rapper?
Di, premier, ballet dancer in the Philippines.
Yun.
Premier Dansur. Yeah, Dansur.
Yun. At syempre, refresh muna tayo. Hydrate muna dito. Snack time.
Ang galing mo, nakita kita. Ang galing.
Max! Yun, no? Galing. At syempre, ang mga dipedal. Yun, no? Lalakas niya. Sir Jeffrey, ang #1 golfer ng area. Yan. Si Sir Don, syempre.
Basta, Sir.
Syempre.
Mga idol.
Yan.
Basta.
Sir.
Nasaan si Di
Snack
naman
muna.
nag-ride? Bakit? Golf naman.
Mr. Golf, eh.
Nag-ride naman siya.
Syempre, guys. Mr. Moy Moy. Yun, no? Siyempre, Sir Jeffrey, ang #1 golfer ng area. Hindi lang pang golf, pang cycling pa.
Sports pa.
Pang sports pa. Model yan ng
Nagbablog ka pa rin?
Ha?
Nagbablog ka pa rin?
Wala, pang lang, sir. Pang katuwaan lang. Hindi naman tayo. Hindi na eh. Ayaw na ni Sir Don eh. Kaya...
Puros na lang kayo bakasyon eh.
Bakasyon ka na. Ikaw nga ang... Puwan na yung mo, Mexico eh.
Nag-Mexico rin ba kayo? Saan kayo pumunta? Ay, Hawaii?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yan. Sir Jeff, oh. Kung gusto nyo mag-golf, yan, all around yan. Tsaka pang Paris din yan. Yan.
Ayun, Paris!
Ang gagaling lang ng Paris yan.
Pasabog.
Karback!
1, 2. Yun. Isa pa, isa pa.
Thank you.
Okay. Yun.
Thank you.
Right there. Guys, ito si Sir Butch na abutan natin sa wakas. Ang number one vlogger ng Daly City.
Hindi po tayo vlogger. Saver lang tayo ng video.
Yun. Yan ang ating ina-idol dito sa...
Short and light cycling.
At syempre, PJB Brothers. Hindi natin... Sergio, nandito yung bata mo. Luluto ka na naman.
Wala, dala-dala ko na naman ng PJB.
Syempre.
Every time,
Lagi yan nagdadala ng bandera, sir.
Baldwinio, Daniel.
Sir Daniel. Oh, Sir Bin. Yan. Ito na ang ating mga veterans. Up. Yun, Sir Manolo. Siyempre, Pipito Manoloto. Oh, yun si Idol. Yun. Wala.
Panay-panay ah.
Sabi mo, sama-sama tayo.
Oh, Sir Moy. 1, 2. Yun. Doon na, nawala na. Ayaw mo sila. Yun, no?
Ito kailangan black to black. Manny D, you're live right now.
Powerball will give you extra 10 miles.
10 miles, yes.
You are live, brother.
You are live. So this is Manny D. So if you need a network for a phone,
If you need
he has the best signal.
If you have
It's
a
called the
connection.
Wi-Fi network.
Yeah. That's why he has this satellite, huh?
The satellite. You want the password?
Give us the sample of your musical prowess.
The musical prowess.
Siya ba ang special guest?
Oh, yeah. Car, right.
Yep.
Water. You want some power bar? We'll give you another 10 miles. Beer. How about water? You want some water?
Yeah. Yun.
Pinalitan ko ng rip ng 700. Iba sa Makati? Kaya yung pinalitan ng 45, hindi kasya.
Ibig sabihin mas
Ma'am Jackie. Yun. Ayos. Yun. Agila, oh. Yun, oh. Ang malakasan, oh. Yun. Yun. Yun.
Sige-sige yan, sige-sige.
Sige, Bal.
Come on, put 'em Jesus gave me life. He opened up my eyes. I can see clearly now. Oh, everybody dance.
Champion! Yun! Right there, sir. Ito guys, yung napanood ko kahapon sa vlog, oh. Hindi marunong magtagalog. Ito ba yan?
Ito yun.
Siya nga, oh.
Sometimes, I try to.
Yun. Siya nga, oh. Guys, live, nakita natin si Mr. Phil Amo.
Mark TV.
Yun.
No, not Mark
West TV.
West TV.
Corky TV. Nandyan din, guys. Eric TV.
Eric
Yan.
TV.
At syempre, mga Kitola Brothers. Yan, oh. Live yan, Kitola Brothers, oh. With Capredi, oh.
Yan yung mga adik.
Yun, oh.
Salamat sa Kitola Brother, hindi kami hiniwan.
Oh, hindi.
Tayo ng sariling bicycle club na hindi sinita sa
Interview.
hindi kami nagkayo.
Hindi kayo iwanan niya.
Interview kasi si...
Right there. Yun, oh.
One more, but he's fine.
We'll be right back. it's you who gives me strength. Nothing is impossible through you. Blind eyes to open, strongholds to broken. I am living by faith. Oh, 'cause I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe in you. I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe in you. Come on, if you believe tonight, give me this sound of praise. Come on, let's raise the roof tonight without praise to the King. Come on, someone, make a joyful sound.